Hello everyone, welcome back to Romanian Math Club. So today we have a nice exponential question which is 6 to the power x is equal to 6 times x plus 24. So we have to find the value of x here. Now we are going to start our solution here. So first of all, we are going to divide this 6 on both hand side. So if we write here that dividing 6 on both hand side means with each term, then we get 6 to the power x over 6. It is our right hand and left hand side, and similarly we are going to divide this 6 with on each term on our right hand side. So it will be 6 plus 24 over 6. Now here 6 to the power x over 6 to the power 1, we just write here that 1 which is equal to 6. So here 6 times x, we are going to cancel 6 with 6, we get x plus 6 4s are 24, so we write x plus 4. Now here we use exponential law, as we know that if we have a raised to power m over a raised to power n, it is equal to a raised to the power m minus n. So here our left hand side will be 6 to the power x, and this will be minus 1, x minus 1, which is equal to here x plus 4. So now our next step is now dividing this 6 to the power x minus 1 on both hand side. Then we get here we are going to write divide 6 to the power x minus 1 on both side. So we get here 6 to the power x minus 1, and similarly here 6 to the power x minus 1. So here we can cancel this, we get 1 is equal to x plus 4 over 6 raised to the power x minus 1. Now here we have 1, so if we that multiply both hand side by minus 1, then we get, so before this, so we just write this one like 1 is equal to x plus 4, and this will be 6 to the power, as we know by this law that if we have a raised to power m, or we just write this 1 over a raised to power n, it will be equal to a raised to power 1 a raised to power minus n. So we just use this law here. Then 6 to the power x minus 1 will be minus x and plus 1. So now if we multiply now, multiplying minus 1 on both sides, so we get here minus 1 times 1, here minus times x plus 4 times 6 to the power minus x plus 1. So now 1 times 1 is minus 1, here is equal to, if we multiply this negative sign here, we get minus x minus 4 and times 6 to the power minus x plus 1. So now here we are going to solve this problem, so by using Lambert W function. So for this purpose we are going to multiply now 6 to the power minus 5, multiplying this on both sides. So we are going to multiply this, then we get here minus 1 times 6 to the power minus 5, which is equal to minus x minus 4 times 6 to the power minus x plus 1, and then 6 to the power minus 5. So we have just multiplied 6 to the power minus 5 on both hand side. Then we get here minus times 6 is minus, so minus 6 to the power minus 5 is equal to, here we just use exponential law, as we know that if we have a raised to power m times a raised to power n, it will be equal to a raised to the power m plus n. So using here, then we get minus x minus 4, here bases are same, so we just write 6, and minus x plus 1, and this one is minus 5. So in next step we get minus 6 to the power minus 5, which is equal to minus x minus 4 times 6 to the power minus x and minus 4. Now our next step is, now minus 6 to the power minus 5 is equal to minus x minus 4 times, here this 6 can be written as we know that by exponential of natural log of a, it is equal to a. So we just write here e raised to the power, let's say it is natural log of 6, then it will be equal to 6. So this 6 can be written as e to the power natural log of 6 and whole to the power minus x minus 4. Now our next step is here that minus 6 to the power minus 5 is equal to minus x minus 4 times, if we rearrange this one, we get minus x minus 4 times this natural log of 6. So now multiplying both hand side by this natural log of 6, so multiplying by natural log of 6 on both side, then we get here minus 6 to the power minus 5 times natural log of 6, which is equal to minus x minus 4 times natural log of 6 times e to the power minus x minus 4 times natural log of 6. So now here we see that if we use here Lambert W function, so applying Lambert W function here, that applying Lambert W function, then we have so Lambert W function here, as we know that Lambert W function is a e to the power a, it will be equal to a. Now according to this law, then this step will be minus 6 to the power minus 5 times natural log of 6. Now applying this W function, Lambert W function, it is our that left hand side. Now applying on our right hand side, then we get Lambert W function times minus x minus 4 natural log of 6 times e to the power minus x minus 4 natural log of 6. Now we see that here this minus x minus 4 natural log of 6 and this value, it is both are equal, which is equal to a. So we just write here our right hand side will be minus x minus 4 times natural log of 6, which is equal to here our left hand side. Here we just write this Lambert W function, this minus 6, we just write this one like minus 6 to the power 1 times 6 to the power minus 6. Here minus 6 plus 1 we get minus 5, so there is no difference here if we write according to this way, so times natural log of 6. Now our next step is here Lambert W function times minus 6, here 6 to the power 1 is equal to 6, so times natural log of 6. Here if we write this e to the power minus 6 natural log of 6, then there will be no difference, so it is equal to minus x minus 4 times natural log of 6. Now here we see that minus 6 natural log of 6 and here minus 6 natural log of 6, both are same. Applying again Lambert W function, then we get here minus 6 natural log of 6, which is equal to here minus x natural log of 6. So if we multiply minus x with natural log of 6 and this minus 4 times natural log of 6. So now shifting this one, we get minus 6 natural log of 6 is this minus is equal to will be plus, so 4 natural log of 6 is equal to minus x natural log of 6. Here minus 6 plus 4, we just write minus 2 natural log of 6, which is equal to minus x natural log of 6. Here cancelling this negative sign on both hand side, so log 6 can be cancelled out with log 6, so x will be equal to 2. It is our final answer, it is our value of x. So if we are going to check our value of x here, so we just recall our problem, that our problem is actually 6 to the power x is equal to 6 times x plus 24. So if we put value of x here, then we get 6 to the power 2 and 6 times 2 plus 24. Here 6 square is equal to 36 and 6 times 2 is 12 plus 24 is equal to 36. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence our value of x, which is equal to 2, it is true for this problem. Now we are going to check our entire solution here step by step. I hope you have understand all these steps one by one. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.